Have you ever pondered about the grandeur and sophistication of the ancient civilizations that once thrived? Today, we cast our gaze towards the Indus Valley Civilization, a society that flourished from 3300 BC until 1300 BC, primarily in regions that are now Pakistan and India. So, let's delve deeper into the remarkable accomplishments of this ancient civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization is renowned for its advanced urban planning, remarkable architecture, and proficient system of water supply. Intricate city layouts were seen in places like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, where the use of baked bricks in construction was a groundbreaking innovation. Their advanced drainage systems still evoke awe, and the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro stands as a testament to their architectural prowess. Truly, the Indus Valley Civilization was far ahead of its times. But the cities and architecture weren't the only things that made the Indus Valley Civilization stand out. They developed a written language, an intriguing puzzle that still remains to be deciphered. Their footprint extended beyond their borders, with trade relations as far as Mesopotamia, yet the civilization declined for reasons still shrouded in mystery. The Indus Valley Civilization, with its mysteries and advancements, continues to fascinate us. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest civilizations in the world, has left an indelible mark on human history. Its achievements and significant events continue to inspire curiosity and exploration. So dive deeper, let the mysteries of the past fuel your knowledge. Which information about the Indus Valley Civilization intrigued you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening historical content.